Scheduler exists because a controller manager created it. Scheduler really, I kind of want to straighten out something that I sort of tongue-in-cheek didn't really totally tell you the truth. Scheduler doesn't really see the cloud. It's not quite like that. Scheduler really has access to the cloud state, and that's through etcd. And when I understood this, the whole picture of Kubernetes became much clearer to me. etcd is the central database. It's a distributed key value store, which means it's all hash-based lookups. It's blazing fast, and this is effectively the database of the cloud. Look at it like this. Anything that happens on the cloud first happens on etcd. So the role of etcd is really to keep track of the cloud, or maybe what we should say is API server is always going to write information to etcd first, and then the next step is to take whatever's going on in etcd and make sure that what's going on in the actual cloud matches. That thinking, that should not be rocket science to anyone. But the way that Kubernetes works, the way it distinguishes itself from other cloud environments, is you actually build the cloud logically right here. That's one set of thinking. And then you make sure that that actually happens in the real cloud next. And that's the goal in Kubernetes, which is part of the excitement of how this works, because it works fantastically.
This video is brought to you by Alta3 Research. We offer training solutions both on-site and online so that you can choose the method that works best for you. If you like this video, check out the links in the description box below for more information on our course offerings. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.